The hair is super buttery soft. The texture, like I said, is a light Yaki texture. And again, it is very glueless. All right, y'all, so we are back today with another hair video. Shout out to NadulaHair Company for sponsoring today's video. So my last NadulaHair review was actually a really good review. You guys absolutely loved it. And you guys also enjoyed the affordability of the unit from this company. So I got another specialty for you guys. It is a nice light Yaki textured unit. So this is a straight unit, guys. It's a 7x5 closure unit. You guys know, bye-bye knots or whatever. So this unit is very, very ready to install, guys. This is going to be a same day install. This unit does come with an adjustable strap, guys, so you guys already know their 7x5 units are completely glueless. So we're going to do a fun little install today, keep it simple, do a little styling. Now I'm going to keep this unit in a middle part style. Like I said, the texture is like a light Yaki texture, so it definitely has a good bounce to it, a good wave and move to it. Now with this one, this unit does come with some kinky edges, as you guys can see. Hope you guys can see that up close. So it does come with some kinky edges, so that's going to definitely play up on the styling, just for more of a natural, realistic look. You guys know when it comes to straight units, I don't tend to do baby hairs, but we're gonna go ahead and play with these kinky edges. I like the fact that they added this to this unit because, you know, kinky edges just make a wig look much better. So I'm happy they kind of changed the texture on this one to mimic the actual texture itself. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and use my hot comb just to smooth everything out, make everything look cute and precise. This is gonna be a very easy install, guys, and like I said, I'll leave all the information down below. One thing about NadulaHair Company is they're gonna give you an affordable unit, guys, and a unit that's going to be of A quality. So that's one thing that I definitely can say that this company will give you guys. So you already know the deal. Let me pop this unit off and put this unit on. All right, y'all, so starting off the bat, the unit is very, very secure. I put the adjustable straps and I also adjusted the hooks in the back. So the unit straight off the bat fits very nice. So this is the middle part. It is a nice clean part. So I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb just to define the parting space at the top. Like I said, this is a light Yaki texture, guys, so the hair definitely has a little bit of a ooh to it. Now, as you guys can see right here, this is the kinky lineup that they did. I feel like it's pretty long. I'm not gonna you know, straighten it. I'm just gonna spread it down here because I do plan on just doing it in middle part style with this one. The unit is very secure, guys, by the way, like I mentioned. Very, very secure, so you don't need anything with this at all. You know, there's 7x5 units. Their closure units are with adjustable strap and everything. The units are very secure. You don't really have to do anything with them. And for this hairstyle, I'm gonna keep it clean. I'll show you guys what the baby hairs look like up close so you guys can see the kinky texture to them. It's just a really simple kind of like kinky texture. If you want to leave like a little bit of hair out just to give it like more of a realistic vibe, I would say go ahead. What I probably would do with this one is just trim these a little bit just like that so that it's not too, you know, too obvious or like too like, you know, gimmicky looking, just to kind of make it look like flyaways and nothing too serious, just because I want this unit to look clean and as realistic as possible. So I literally would just kind of like trim the baby hairs ever so lightly in the front just to give me a nice little lineup that looks realistic. So you guys can see right here, just a little bit of baby hair. We're just gonna trim that off like this, just nice and light, just to give this unit more of a nice look. And as you guys can tell already, it looks very realistic. If you want to, you can go ahead and separate the baby hairs from the perimeter, which sometimes I would do, and for the purpose of the video, I will go ahead and do it for you guys so you guys can see where the baby hair starts at and how it looks. So I'll just go ahead and pull this so you guys can see right there that the baby hair looks very natural and realistic. It has that texture to it, which you need, especially when you're trying to make things look real. And you know, Yaki's texture is one of those textures that it's like relaxed, but you know, you still got like a little edges or whatever. So we want to make sure we get that to do a little something. So I'll probably just leave it just like that, guys. I feel like that looks good. It looks kind of like wispies or flyaways rather than having like these long, extended, drawn out eyebrows, baby hairs that just be doing too much. So what I'm going to do is just open this part up a little bit better right here. And I'm going to use my hot comb because some of the kinky hairs are in the parting space right there. So we're just going to go ahead and make sure that we open the part up so that the part is laying flat AF. So, yep. So there you go, guys. I did go ahead and spray my Red by Kisses lace tinting spray on the inner cap so you guys can see it melted my skin perfectly. Now, if you want to go ahead and do some extra tweezing on this unit, you can, but I feel like it looks more natural this way, so it's not necessary. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, is I'm gonna do a layer in the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and tuck the hair under with the straightener just to give me like that kind of like clean look. I've seen that kind of style around. I wanna attempt it today and see how it goes. So let's go for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut just the layers down this way. Hopefully I do this correctly, guys. We're just doing this for the purpose of the video to give me a little bit of a look with this one. Instead of just wearing it straight, we'll do like a little styling. So we'll start from here. We'll just cut downwards. I believe that's how we should do it. Guys, don't quote me on this one. I do my best when I be trying to do these little hairstyles, trying to give you guys something. So, so cut on this side too. So we'll go back on this side right here and cut a little more because we want this one to look like it's like that layered style. So this is the first time I'm attempting that under look. So pray for me, guys. Hopefully it comes out cute. And that is definitely not even. So let's cut that again. So we have like a little something going on right here. So we're gonna mimic that side with this side because we really want it to be equal on both sides. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut a little bit higher up and we'll add more layers. So that right here. We can go ahead and cut a little bit more on this side. And yeah, I'm not a hairstylist. I don't know how to cut. I just know what works for my face, and I've been doing this for a while, so you kind of get a hang of what you look like. Would I try this on someone else? Probably not, because chances are it may, 95% of the time, the hairstyle will be cute if I do it on someone else, but just for the, nah. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut one more time right here because I want it to be really, really defined in the front area. And as you guys can see, it's looking pretty much equal on both sides. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my straightener and start straightening on this side just to see what we're giving. Like I said, this is my first time doing this. I do have the comb attachment to my straightener, so it kind of makes the hair a little bit more slick. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fold the hair inwards. And the reason why I want to try this hairstyle out with this hair is because of the texture of this hair. So it would work out better with hair this texture just because it mimics like a blowout or like a, you know, you got your hair pressed or something like that. So I want to give you guys that full effect in today's hair video. So let's see. Beautiful. So you guys can see already, it's already giving what it needs to give. And again, very simple hair video, guys. Straight to the point. I'm gonna do the base and then we're gonna go ahead and flip the ends after I do the base. I curl the ends once I do the base. Because we want everything to look smooth, so we're gonna go ahead at the top, do the top, and then we're gonna go ahead and curl the ends of that too. All right, y'all, so this is a finished look of this unit. Absolutely love it. And NadulaHair did something with this one, and I think me styling it definitely amped it up a little bit. So this is my first time doing kind of like this wrap style look where I did the layers in the front. The hair's a nice length, guys, not too long. I did obviously do layers all the way through, so you guys can see that I curled the ends of the hair inwards, which is actually pretty cute, guys. I feel like this would look good if I put some rollers in as well too, to kind of give like this wrap style. I did the best I could with the layers, guys, but the hair is super buttery soft. The texture, like I said, is a light Yaki texture, and again, it is very glueless, so there is no glue on this unit whatsoever, guys. You can lift it up and put it back down. The hairline is actually pretty as well too. I think they did a good job with this one. I like how simple this unit is. There's not a lot of work to do to this one. If you don't want to do the middle part style with the layers like I did like that, you can go ahead and switch it to a side part. But I felt the middle part would look nice because just how clean this lace is right here. It's just very clean. If you don't want to wear it like this style, you can go ahead and put some curls in it. And I do want to say that I know this hair is going to curl nice just for the simple fact that it actually curled underneath nice. So if you want to go ahead and do like a little bit like of a layered effect going like that way, you can. Kind of flipping the curls back Farrah Fawcett style would actually work really nice with this unit as well. But I wanted to keep it simple and try something different. Like I said, my first time doing this kind of trendy hairstyle right here. And I feel like I could have layered it a little bit more, but it definitely gives the effect of the layers in the front, as you guys can tell. I know a lot of people tend to layer it off even more down the bottom, but I wanted to just try it for my first time to see what it looked like this. And I think I did a pretty good job. The hair is very pretty, guys. Texture, the density of this one is very nice and light. Not doing too much, just doing enough. And it just looks so, so gorgeous. Like, look at that. Okay, simple AF, straight to the point, honey. And it's giving layered, fun, kind of like a 90s vibe effect. So very, very cute. Like, definitely giving like I got my hair permed and I got a little wrap or whatever. As you guys can see, the parting space is very natural, guys. This is a 7x5 closure by knots. So you guys can see I did go ahead and leave a little bit of the baby hairs, the kinky baby hairs out. I'm gonna wear this style like this, and I feel like this style you don't really need to do that much to it, but just to come up close to show you guys the baby hairs, very, very natural, gorgeous. And again, it is 100% glueless, so I can lift this up and put it right back down. Looks very nice, guys, like a very simple, clean style. All in all, guys, I'm a very happy camper when it comes to this unit. I will leave all the information down below, guys, including a coupon code. Make sure you go ahead and shop my links for this specific unit, guys. Hopefully there's like a little bit of discount in there. You already know I always give you guys a little something, so you know what it is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.